Good morning. Let's look at this integration question. Evaluate. In order to evaluate this question, you must first find its integral. You must first integrate it, like the way I've done here. And then you get this, you subtract this same thing minus this same thing, x cubed minus x squared plus x. But in the first one, you put the number on top, which is 2. And then in the second one, you put in x the value of at the bottom, which is 1. So let's solve this one. First, you integrate. To integrate is simply the reverse of differentiation. In this case, integrating means taking it back to the way it was before it was differentiated. So meaning it will gain some values. When you are given to evaluate, when you are given some values like this, we don't add a constant c at the end. We just leave it at this one. So a constant will gain a variable, a constant will gain a variable. So how we integrate is we do this 3x, and then the power we add plus 1 over the same power 2 plus 1 minus 2x. Here the power is 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 1. So a constant gains a variable, so it will be 1 times x. So the variable here is x, meaning this constant will gain an x. So this will be equal to 3x. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 plus 1, 3, minus 2x. 1 plus 1 is squared over 1 plus 1, 2, plus 1 times x is x. As you can see, this and this can cancel. X cubed is equal to x squared plus x. And then we subtract this same with the same. This final equation minus this final equation. But in the x, we put, in the first one, we put the value of 2 in the x value, and the second one, we put the 1 at the bottom. So it will look like this: x cubed minus x squared plus 1, plus x, minus x cubed minus x squared plus x. So in this one, we put the value at the top, which is 2, and then this one, we put the value at the bottom, which is 1. Let's see how it will work out. So x cubed minus x squared plus x minus x cubed minus x squared plus x. So here we put, in the first one we put 2, should be 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 1 cubed minus 1 squared plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, minus 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 plus 2, minus 1 cubed is 1, minus 1 squared is 1, plus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, minus 6 minus 1 minus 1 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5.